Okay, so an essential thing in every home is definitely flour, which is commonly made from wheat. So if you're avoiding that, you gotta find an alternative. And so we came to see what we could find. And here is a 1-to-1 baking flour mixture that probably substitutes well in baking. I'm also seeing some almond flour, which works for people whose almond is safe for. I'm also seeing another brand of gluten-free flour, some more almond flour, and I think I even saw, yes, some coconut flour. So there's quite a few varieties of flours to go, kind of accommodate any allergens that might be safe for you. And we know that kids with allergies like their sweet treats just like all of us. So I wanted to see if I could find some safe chocolate, because we know it's often contaminated with milk or nuts. And I'm really excited because I found this Enjoy Life brand, and they actually produce in a dedicated factory that does not have the top common allergens. And there's 3 different brand or variations of chocolate here that you could use for baking and things like cookies or cakes, or I even had patients when I worked with them that definitely just ate these as a snack.